What in God's name would the Americans give up the progress we've made for the chaos they're suggesting? I don't get it. That's why the MAGA Republicans deliberately choose to inflict this kind of pain on the American people. Why? Why? This nation has gone through too much. We've come too far to let that happen. I will not let it happen. Not on my watch. I will veto everything they send us. Not after all the progress we made and how they want to raise your gas prices. They want to cut taxes for billionaires who pay virtually only 3% of their income now. Not after all the progress we made and how far we've come. Last week, they want to impose a 30% national sales tax on everything from food, clothing, school supplies, housing, cars. Sales tax on everything you buy, from eggs to automobiles. Economic growth is up, stronger than experts expected at 2.9%. We're growing. Jobs are the highest in American number and the highest in American history. And wages are up. Jobs are the highest in American number and the highest in America. Manufacturing jobs continue to go up stronger than any time in the last 40 years. And I don't think it's unfair to say that this is all evidence that the Biden economic plan, because y'all, is actually working. It's working. No question. By the way, if my mother were here, she would have had me say at the outset, now we've got to protect those gains. We've got to protect those gains that our policies have generated. Protect them from the MAGA Republicans in the House of Representatives who are threatening to destroy this progress. Look, that's why the MAGA Republicans deliberately choose to inflict this kind of pain on the American people. Why? Look, if Republicans want to work together on real solutions and continue to grow manufacturing jobs, build the strongest economy in the world, and make sure Americans are paid a fair wage, I'm ready. But I will not let anyone use the full faith and credit of the United States as a bargaining chip. The United States of America, we pay our debts than the entire state of Missouri. You hear me? I'm creating an Investment in America cabinet. I'm taking all those cabinet members, secretaries, Commerce, Labor, Transportation, Treasury, Energy, Health and Human Services, and Environmental Protection Agency, and putting them in a sub-cabinet. And they have to pay a minimum of 15%. My God, isn't that awful? We're going to bring them together in an element of the federal government and invest wisely, and they're going to come up with a plan how we implement all that we've done. It's one thing to pass it all. Now we have to make sure we're ever on it every single day. Not a joke. Implementing it so people can see what we've delivered. Give it to them directly. And in the process, I promise you what's going to happen. It's going to attract billions of dollars more in private investment. And nothing is beyond our capacity if we